Hey guys, welcome to Dainty Bite. This is a cereal bar like no other. I've been enjoying it for a while at my favorite coffee shop, and it's called a Hippie bar. It is basically everything you want in a breakfast bar. Lots of oats, nuts, peanut butter. Plus, it's gluten-free. I added less sugar though, lots more nuts, and at fraction of the price. Who can say no to this deal? Let me show you how to make this bar and let's get started. So in this clean bowl, I have 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 stick of room temperature butter, and 1/4 cup of honey. You can absolutely substitute the sugar with some no-calorie sugar, no problem. I'm gonna use the handheld mixer to mix a little bit, get everything in. Then I'm gonna add the peanut butter, 1 cup of peanut butter. You can do crunchy peanut butter or smooth, it doesn't matter. 1 minute and I'll start adding the eggs. I'm gonna add 3 large eggs, 1 at a time. The mixture is smooth and beautiful. Don't forget that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I add a good amount of vanilla extract. Now let's add the dry ingredients. I'm gonna add 3 cups of oats, rolled oats. I'm gonna add some pumpkin seeds and some pecans. I toasted the pecans and the pumpkin seeds a little bit to give them more flavor. I add some flax seeds, whole flax seeds. You can add whatever you want. You can take out whatever you want. You can just add chocolate chips if your kids prefer that. But I love the taste of pumpkin seeds and pecans in this recipe. Slice some jumbo raisins and add as well. You can add some dried apricots, dried figs, anything you want really. Mix the whole thing until well incorporated. The last thing I'm gonna add is 1/2 cup of cornstarch, or you can use any gluten-free flour you have in your pantry. That would work as well. Oat flour, anything really. Add to that 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, a touch of salt, and then add on top the batter. Mix well, and your batter is ready. Press firmly into a greased pan. You need to press the batter very well. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or until you feel it's golden and well done. I usually check it with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the batter is baked well. It took about 25 minutes in my oven. I let it cool completely before I slice into it. I served it to my kids this morning. They took some to school. They loved it. They approved of the taste, so give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!